stood by an angel. She trembled as he spoke. One small child would soon be born. The King of Kings will wear a crown of thorns. Glory to God, the angels sang. Emmanuel was born for you this day. Peace on earth, goodwill toward men. Emmanuel has come to Bethlehem. Emmanuel has come to Bethlehem. One still night, while Joseph dreamed, he saw a vision within his troubled sleep. One small child, his bright but gift, deliverer, to save us from our sins. Glory to God, the angels say. Emmanuel was born for you this day. Peace on earth, goodwill toward men. Emmanuel has come to Bethlehem. Emmanuel has come to Bethlehem. And to his kingdom there'll be no end. And to his kingdom there'll be no end. And to his kingdom there'll be no end. One still night, a light was shown that all the darkness could never overcome. Glory to God, the angels say. Emmanuel was born for you this day. Peace on earth, goodwill toward men. Emmanuel has come to Bethlehem. Emmanuel has come to Bethlehem. Emmanuel was born for you this day. Just put it right there.
That's the point. Emmanuel was born.
God with us. And what an amazing time of year to consider what he did when he came.